Hello and welcome, my beautiful stars. This is your host welcoming you all to my channel, Stars Mystic Enchantress. So today's reading will be a pick a card reading for those people who wants to know that how will be their first date or a meeting with your person. So I will give you three piles and you need to choose whichever attracts you the most, and while choosing your pile number you need to channelize into your person's energy. Just take a few breaths and imagine your person's energy and pick any pile. Okay guys, so if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get all notification from this channel. Alright guys, okay, let's proceed to the pile 1. Whoever who have chosen this pile, let me pull cards for you guys. Here I got King of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Cups, 9 of Cups, Ace of Wands, oh my god, 6 of Wands. Okay, this can be a craziest date. Okay, you can even take it as a date because you people would plan for a nice and a very like official kind of a date, but will like from the start only it will get messed up, and then you people will go to some other place. This place can be any like party. I'm getting the beach party or the carnival, maybe in the Goa. Initially you people will plan for a date, okay, a nice sophisticated date, but it will turn up into a mess, like you people won't get the bookings, or you people get late to that date, or something will happen as such, and then you will jump into some like other place, which I can see here. It will be a beach party or a carnival like thing, or some like someone else party. All right, and even you can take it as a like amusement park or something. Okay, roller coasters, I can see the so many rides, etc. You unknowingly you'll reach to that place. Okay, and your person's energy is really very comic kind of a thing here, and most probably you people will dress up so nicely and come, and then you people go crazy like kids, and you'll be taking rides, etc. Or you people, here I can see that your person like will mess up with his dressing and his style also. He will just be like a crazy person. You both will like enjoy that party thing, and you both will be dancing and having fun with some, like you people will reach some other territory only, like it was unplanned, and you will reach that place unknowingly, like unplanned thing it will happen, and your person will turn into a very comic character, and he will make you laugh so hardly that you haven't laughed in your whole life. That day will be a very memorable, and you will enjoy a lot that time. Okay, you can just like write down this thing. You will be like, it will be a very beautiful and a very fun day of your whole life. So these energies I can see, and from this event or from this day you'll come to know your person's like true side. He's really very fun kind of a person. Maybe in most of the cases he's a Gemini. Okay, he's a Gemini man, or he can be a Sagittarius man. Okay, maybe if you people drink also, then on this day you people will take some drinks also. In short, I must say here, like your whole sophisticated nice official date will turn out to a very comic kind of thing or comic scene, which will be like you will remember this throughout your life. Okay, Okay, let me tell you who is this person. This person can be your childhood friend, and you're meeting this person after a long period. Like take take it as 7 years or 8 years. After so long, you're meeting this person, or else this person can be like your colleague, or you people work in the same organization and you don't know the side of this person, and suddenly you'll come to know about this person. This person can be like this also, and this behavior or this nature of this person will impress you very lot, like on the next level. Okay, so after this date you'll get so much close together, and you'll start sharing so many things which you haven't shared with this person ever. You'll start sharing like all kinds of things with this person, and you will after this event or after this date, you and this person will come to know each other very nicely. Your understanding level will increase, even your relationship also reach to the next level. So all the really very best, guys. So this is what all I have for you guys. See you again. Bye bye. Okay, let's move to pile 2. Hello pile 2 people. Let me pull out some cards for you. How will be your first meeting? Okay, I got 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, the Lovers, 7 of Cups, Knight of Wands, Emperor. Okay, to clarify few things, I will just pull out some more cards. Okay, finally I got the Hermit, Hanged Man, the World, and King of Swords. Okay, so probably you people have met online, and you haven't have met in person. Like this will be your first time. I can see it will be a really very crowd place. You can take it as a restaurant, or I should say a bar and restaurant. Okay, so where you people can even get drinks and the food as also. This kind of a place it is actually. And what I can see is you, like both people are introverts. You people kind of very like shy, or I can say very shy kind of people. So you don't have anything to speak at that time. In those few moments you won't speak anything with this person, and the same this person will also do the same thing with you. He also unable to speak anything. You people won't be feeling comfortable that time. There is a lot of awkwardness I can see here. And so this person, if he drinks, he will take few drinks, then he will start opening up. Okay, if he don't drink, then he will try to like make himself comfortable, like going somewhere else. Like he will just act like he got some phone call, or he will just make a little escape that he needs to go to a loo or something. So once he'll come back from there, he will just little bit comfortable with you, and he will start some he will initiate some conversation. Okay, then you people will start conversating with each other, and you will also feel some kind of comfortable with this person. And what I can see is like while talking, you people will first time will look into each other's eyes, and you people will feel some kind of sexual attraction also, maybe. And I can see he will make some approach towards you, like holding your hands or something. I can see here maybe after the dinner or the lunch, you people will take some time out. Okay, maybe you people will book a hotel room, or you people will go to each other's place, or something will happen like that. You people need some time alone after that meeting. So you people move to either each other's place or to a hotel room, and I can see some love making here. Okay, so you will end up here. I can see you'll end up having a physical relationship with this person on the very first meeting. That's so crazy. I hope that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again. Bye bye. So welcome pile 3 people. How will be your first meeting or a date? Okay, let me pull out some cards for you guys. I got 6 of Cups, 7 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles, the Death, Page of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, I need to pull out few more cards to clarify. Okay, I got 3 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and 6 of Wands. Okay, so probably you people were on a long distance relationship, and you're meeting this person for the first time, and it will be a secret meeting. Like you people don't want to meet in the crowd kind of a place. Probably I'm seeing that either you people will meet at each other's place, or you people will book a hotel room, and there I can see a plenty of talks. Okay, a plenty of those kind of emotional talk. I can see so much of tears here, and so much of pain I could see here. Like you people are deciding something in your life, and you people love each other a lot. It's not a having fun kind of a meeting. It is full of emotion, and you people are trying to decide something in your life. Maybe this person is having a third party situation. That is why he needs to clarify few more things to you. Maybe he met you, that he's finally decided that he want to move with you. Okay, after this meeting, you people's perspective will be changed completely about each other, or it will be a life changing meeting. Okay, your people's life will be changed fully, like completely. The life will be changed after this meeting. Maybe you people will move together and will get married to each other. Okay, and it is really very beautiful meeting it will be. Okay guys, I can see here maybe he'll be ending some relationship, a third party situation he'll be ending. That is why he met you, and he'll be like giving you some commitment, and he'll be like first time proposing you guys. Okay, because you people may be meeting for the first time, and you people have met previously on a social media, and this will be your first time. He may be like confessing so many things in front of you, that's about his true feelings, true side, how he was feeling about you, etc. So finally he'll be giving you commitment on this date. Okay, and later on you'll be moving together forever. Like I can see the marriage here. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Okay guys, let's move to the pile 4. How will be your first date or a meeting? Okay, let's begin. Let me pull out some cards for you guys. Here I got 4 of Wands, 10 of Swords, 5 of Wands, the Devil, the World, 6 of Cups, and the Moon. Okay guys, you people will meet at the airport. Okay, either he has flew from some country or some place to you, or you will be flying to his place. Okay, so either way it can happen, and he'll be meeting you for the first time. You people haven't met before, and probably it can also be the situation where you people will be knowing each other very nicely since, like, here I can see even since 7 years also. But it was a long distance relationship, and this person is finally will be coming to you and meeting you at the airport. He'll be in a such situation. He has left all his things back at his place, and he came just for you to commit. Okay, and after this meeting I can see the marriage. Or if it is you, then you will leave everything and fly to his place, and you will give commitment to this person, and you'll get married to this person. Okay, it will be very intense energies I can see here. You people will be in a very deciding mood, like you people want to spend the rest of life like with each other, and that is why you people left everything behind to meet this person. I can see here this person is having lots and lots of physical sexual attraction towards you. Maybe you people used to talk hours together over the telephone or on a messaging app,
like sex texting or something.
But when you meet this person for the first time, it is bit like awkward for you also. Like meeting in person, it will be different from the phone. Maybe over the phone he was different, and when you meet this person it will be a different person, but you will like this person, and if you are meeting him for the first time, he will also like you. So finally you will end up in some commitment, and after this meeting you'll get married to this person. That's all I could pick up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please do like it. And if you have any questions or queries, you can just contact me. If you have any questions or queries, you just can contact me. Contact details can be seen on your screen. So see you guys in the next reading. Thanks for being here. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye bye.